Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hyatt Place Boston, Medford. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Medford, Massachusetts hotel offers an indoor swimming pool and free Wi-Fi. Tufts University is 6 minutes drive. The shops at Assembly Row are 7 minutes drive. A flat-screen cable TV, work desk and a coffee maker are included in the rooms at Hyatt Place Medford. Rooms also include a sofa. Guests at the Hyatt Place in Medford can enjoy access to the 24-hour fitness center. Other facilities offered include luggage storage and a business center. The hotel provides complimentary breakfast and includes oatmeal, breakfast sandwiches, cereal and more. Lunch and dinner entrees are available off the bar. Davis Square is 2 miles away from Hyatt Place Medford. The Bunker Hill Monument is 10 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.